Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Wattpad account. All right. I'm going to show you how to do it on both PC and mobile. Now for mobile, just go ahead and go to your Play Store and App Store and look for Wattpad. Once you have it located, just go ahead and install it. And once done, go ahead and open it up. And here, as you can see, we will be able to sign up using our Google account or Facebook. Or if you have any other account, just go ahead and tap on sign up with email. All right. Now first up, for example, here, I'm going to use my Google account. I'm just going to tap on Google. I'll select the preferred Gmail. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, just go ahead and hit on continue. Give the necessary permission. Scroll down and hit on continue. Wait for it to load once more. Now once it loads, as you can see here, just hit on got it, and here you have your account. As easy as that. Now for computer users, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and go ahead and type in Wattpad. Hit on enter and click on the first link. Click on it. Now at the top right, we have the sign up button. Just click on it, and with the same set of steps, select your preferred emailing service or Facebook. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.